niggas for nothing. And I still get ratchet, and you can't tell us nothing. Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take down my passion twists. I'm going to answer a couple questions about how they held up, how long I've had them, and like the pros and cons of the hair. This is the Jonae collection Nalatress passion twist. I crocheted them in individually. I did post a video of me doing that a couple of days ago. I'm going to record myself taking them out and answer a couple questions about them. I had the 24 or 23 inch packs, but I cut them. I've been wearing it like this for a couple days because they just start to get like tangled at the end and stuff. I had them in for like 3 weeks now. I want to say almost a month now. I did them for a vacation. I went to Cancun for my sister's wedding, and they held up really well. I want to say they would last longer than a month, like if I didn't, because as soon as I went on vacation I was in the water and I got them wet. I didn't really care about getting them wet, so they probably would have held up longer if I didn't get them so wet. We were like swimming every single day. They should come out fairly easy because I did the rubber band method, so they should honestly just like slip out. I'm hoping. I did use the clear rubber bands and a lot of them popped. Like I would like feel and like the rubber band would come out. So there shouldn't be too many rubber bands left in here. It should come out fairly easy. They were a little more high maintenance than I expected, but I'm not surprised because it is like supposed to be like a really natural protective style. Like I had to redo the ones in the front while I was on vacation. It wasn't like a must. They still looked good, but I just wanted to keep them looking fresh because when you wear them in a ponytail, they start to like slip like in the front. They start to like get loose. I have a lot of them in the front that like got really loose, but that also might be because I didn't really know how to do them. It was my first time, so I definitely will try them again. It was worth it. I honestly think that the free tress hair tangled a little more than the Nalatress hair because the ones that I crocheted or like tied onto the twist, because like I'll run my fingers through them and there'll be like knots like in the hair, like random knots. Like I don't know, I didn't even know like where they would come from. It would just be knots in the hair, but I would just like cut them out because they would be like on the like ends and like in the middle and stuff. But again, I feel like a lot of the problems that I had with this hair I had because I swam a lot. I got them wet a lot. One thing about this hairstyle that I don't recommend, like to keep it up every day, I would just put on my scarf and like I'll put mousse first and like do my edges some days and then just put a scarf on. I tried to use the Got2b glue to like keep them looking tight in the front, and I don't recommend that because I can like feel the Got2b still in my hair. So I definitely wouldn't use Got2b. I probably would use like a different edge gel or something. I'm just taking out random ones all over my head, but they're coming out so easy. You literally just pull it out. I'm so glad I cut them short before I took them out because this process is going so much faster than I thought. I really hope my hair grew. And I also was scared when I cut them because I was kind of in a rush, so I just cut them all off. So I was kind of surprised at how they turned out because I kind of like it like this. I like the short bobby look for the summer style. I wish I would have cut them a little before they start to look old. But it was super cute like this. Okay, I'm finally on the last two. I've been taking these out for 10 minutes now, so it was really easy to take out. I hope I covered enough information in this video about these passion twists. I definitely would try them again. I'm gonna post them if I try them again. They were super easy, super cute. That had them in for 3 weeks. I had 2.5 packs in my hair. Oh, there's one more. That's what I get for doing them all randomly all over my head. But this is the last one. I've only been standing here for 10 minutes now. So they were super fast to take down. Okay, so I finally got them all out. It took me 2 hours to install them, about 10 minutes to take them out, so it was super easy. That's why I was telling everyone that was complimenting me. I tell them you can literally do this style at home. It was super cheap. I only used 2.5 packs of the Nyla Tress hair, and then the free tress was just optional option. That part was just to make it look better for vacation. It was super fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Pretty in the face, skinny in the waist. We ain't gotta wait in line. I put up in the red. My